Boyfriend.
My birthday. I'm 22 today, June 13th. The queen was born. Yes, it's my birthday, guys. So excited. I spent a birthday in Jamaica. So good morning, guys. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. So I got up and I was treated with a gift. I woke up and I received, okay guys, so I woke up and I received a Bailey's. That was so nice. My uncle, he surprised me and got it for me, so that was nice. So I just put that in my liquor drawer. Guys, do you guys want to see my liquor drawer? I'm gonna show you guys, hold on. Henny, Ciroc, Grey Goose, and Malibu. Yes. Oh, those liquors minus the Baileys I had brought down with me in my barrel to keep for the party that I was going to keep, which is tomorrow the 14th. I'm gonna have a little birthday celebration alongside with my cousin whose birthday was yesterday, the 12th. We're almost birthday twins, so we're just gonna celebrate something in one. But yeah, I'm not gonna use all of those liquors because I was planning on selling liquor, but then everyone was telling me, oh, you know, oh, Jamaica, around nobody not gonna buy or support, or, you know, a curfew, so, you know, you can't go like keep like big dance or whatever. So I'm just gonna see if I could get some of my liquor sale and then like share up the rest, the remaining. So it's about almost 7:30, guys, and me awake and run and go up to go play cash pot. So, alright guys, so right now me dey on my way. I got a shop to go play some cash pot. This will be the first time I play cash pot from me come, and I'm not addicted or anything, but like it close.
Yeah.
But we are wait. Are you want to go out or back walk or them places? Or what time you think they open?
After 7.
I know, and it's sitting the time early bird at what 8:30. What time they go open? Oh guys, I didn't vlog yesterday, but I forgot to show you guys. I got my nails done. Just something super short because I'm not a nails girl, so I just got nude and then a little gold right there. I like how short they are. Like they just look, you know, nice, very manageable or whatever. I mean, although I could manage like medium-sized nails or whatever, but like I just prefer them short, you know. And to me, they look more classy and like, you know, real chic and cute. Babes like them because babes don't like the really long fingernails and sitting there. One day we're going to shop and they be show them how long the girl fingernails was yesterday.
About 4 inches.
No, but show them by your finger because I can't do it while I'm something there. But that's our nails need there. Guys, yeah, look good. I salute all you girls who have them long fingernails there and can still function properly and stuff. Because me, I couldn't do it. So right now we are going to go look for a guy to see if we can find him to clean up it, break up the yard and stuff, which part the cook, a chef I go cook tomorrow. So yeah, hopefully by the time we come back out the road, a cash pot place open because me want to play my cash pot, my numbers them, me need to. Yeah, alright. Guys, someone just buy my cash pot and I spent $5,000 on cash pot, so I hope I see back something, you know. Otherwise I'm just like go feel that weird, but you know, I say go, you win some, you lose some. So now we're going up back at yard. I guess I'm just gonna bathe and get ready and put on some one clothes for go. More got blue hole at Ochi, yes, and go check off and have some nice clean water with my baby.
Morning.
So yes, I don't want to do like all it dressing and stuff. Make all the dressing time for tomorrow for party, you know.
Yeah, but you have to put on something nice.
You have to put on something nice. But we can't put on no makeup, no. I'm for going on water and sitting. I wanted us to match today, and we'll see how that works out. If the dress look right for me or whatever. Cause I think I'm gonna wear my bathing suit underneath and then put the dress over. So then when my God it blue one, I can just take off it with my bath suit and put on the cover up. So we'll see how that goes. So yeah, we'll go back upstairs.
Babe, you want to sleep?
Want to sleep? I want something else.
Wait,
I want B.
B, you can't want it.
We can't want nothing.
No, you're not sure.
We're not sure on nothing. I true about 1 o'clock. You know what?
1 o'clock? No, reaching about 1 after 1.
Oh, okay. Okay, guys, so we reach Blue Hole now. I think, cause like when I see Blue Hole like on the Jamaica vlogs I'm on YouTube, it don't really look like this, but we have to go down, so then I'll see if that's what it is. See, we all here, my cousins, my aunts, honey, and all of them. So yeah, we're gonna start walking. Check out my cousin Felisa, and check out her channel with her boyfriend Beagle J and Fel. I'll link it down in the comments below and on the screen. And with that Blue Hole now. You excited?
Yeah.
Yes. I'm want pee-pee. Alright guys, so we just paid the admission fee, which was $1,000 per person. And look at them. Donate to feed animals, poor relief box, and donate to Newstead School. What if we get so much money for them to donate?
Donate to school and if animal and then. So guys, we're going down.
We're going down. Key for what? You have a key? I have to take my time. Come down here, so I don't want to drop. That's all. Guys, I'll see you when I reach right bottom here. Alright guys, so we just come from Blue Hole. I didn't bring my camera to like vlog or do anything because I was afraid it was gonna get wet or whatnot. But it was very fun. The water was nice and cool and refreshing. So now we're gonna leave now, find something to eat because we well want to drink but we're hungry. So yeah. So we just get pulled over by police because we breached a curfew. It's not intentional, I just like happened. So now we have to come up with stories.
That enjoy with self. I mean, decide to be in the left until me learn how to swim.
Exactly.
And what we gonna tell you? Say we're not up again.
What story be?
The same thing again, B.
Say your car broke down.
But what we get?
Yeah, car broke down. We are going come through it, and the car broke down. Yeah.
So then left all the way from St. Catherine come at St. Catherine.
No, they never at St. Catherine. Them there. That's Jackson.
Jackson.
And that Jackson. And we call them at first we broke down. So they come to carry, but eventually.
So police stop you before you reach Jackson.
So we broke down and they carry that fix same so.
Alright. I don't know why curfew have to be 2 o'clock on a Sunday. Could I say 9?
No, so I mean like 2 o'clock on Sunday.
Why? Oh, cause
Because
work.
left work early.
No, but for real, like Andrew need to like increase it the time. What the heck?
Watch it.
Guys, the bags. We can't even stop nowhere now. Probably have to go straight our yard.
I'm hungry.
Me know, man. Police stop me a while ago, brother.
Alright, so we're taking shots. I can say we cut it out.
We taking shots. Sorry about the cups.
Where you at? Come on,
Ross. Ross.
Wow. Yeah. We're gonna take a shot. 1, 2, 3. Ooh. Oh, nice. That's nice.
You know why the more shot hit? Because now we can make a drink. Yeah.
There's some Pepsi.
Oh, shut up, Pepsi, yeah.
Yeah, we can.
Pepsi.
So,
Oh my god. Oh, remember tongue.
I first anniversary with Kiss. I don't even know if they saw it or not. You have to look at Sophie. But yeah.
Everybody say everything, babe.
Me and my cousin we did there talk about a size of a guy.
Am I your
Not you.
Me.
Her Felisa, we were talking about the size of a guy's something like if you prefer small
What is something,
or
B?
big. B, they know something, right?
They know
Me
something?
prefer small, cause you know it too hot, and you know they can't go in and you know sitting there, but
Me
Fel.
rather a 9-inch body. I'm gonna take like 8 or 7.5 and me work with that, but being a but me love big good. Can't manage to look. Shanky have some banana chips.
It is a eat ever banana chips. Me have big foot and you can't eat. Never tried a banana chips there yet.
I wet banana chips. That.
Something about roam me.
What you take one of the banana chips?
Let me try banana chips now.
Boyfriend.
So guys, we did got Blue Wall today, but her boyfriend was at work. And as we reached Blue Wall, he saying come off.
So you know that.
We could have wait upon him. I mean, no, so that more nice and Philly, so we enjoy ourselves more.
And it's nice.
You enjoy
He's a nice
yourself?
guy.
Yeah, me enjoy myself.
Even
It was
though
nice.
you make sure you want to go in at 50 feet of water. That's
In the
not
coming
nice.
water with me.
If
And
she did that,
guys,
Jordan couldn't stay in worthless.
they have one clip where you jump off. Me run, me stop. Me run, me stop. And me couldn't jump off.
My heart a beat while you run.
Let me move from the side where the family. I would say where the family right and across the left. So
No, your heart there on the left side.
Because under the right, when the man and me say right and across the left breast. So you move from the left side to your right side. I'm for sure. Okay, that's it. Make it 2 hours. I'm saying, I'm not ready.
Maybe they really have the intention to go to the job.
Yeah,
I wasn't, but true, yeah, so me feel it.
Yeah,
Let me say,
feel like my heart like it moves.
I couldn't
So
do
I
it.
said, no, it is like.
And the man is currently in the water.
No, you know why? You know why we never take a shot because probably it's true with panic and true with afraid probably with that panic and
Yeah.
then you know
You
we
have
are
a panty?
taking water because let me
check and see if me have a fancy. You want to check? Oh, you see. What color?
Remember?
Oh, with them movie or still Ochi?
my beer. You never got my beer in your first beer.
Yeah. So, I still Ochi with them. I don't know, true with the jack. Alright, with that Ochi, what's up?
Jack salt.
Yeah, just guys. The one we could all see.
Yeah.
We got a lot of people.
That's so much paper they put in this, yeah?
Yeah, with that Jackson visiting a friend. She come down today. It's her birthday tomorrow. She come from foreign, but she's Jamaica or whatever. So we come and check her and stuff.
Even though I'm going with my boyfriend because my kids them a kid.
Man, I do nothing, man. I
You might-
remember
you
you
can't tell me
driving,
that.
man.
Bill, you have proof? Same and I cheat.
Well, once back, I did approve. But no, why you would have want to call my phone and tell me say you think of somebody else you call? That makes sense? Obviously,
Makes sense.
exactly. Obviously, I call one number similar to mine, and it's a person who tell me say I call them, they don't have no similar number to mine. So me, I go find out which number is that plan to call. And then him tell me say, they didn't tell me say one time, him send out the number, him say the electrician man, but fixing car, name pop up. All the early man name, that means to say save my name and I need team name and I need my number, what you hiding? Oh, that 2 years of a relationship, you're not supposed to hide nothing. Who the fuck you have that you're supposed to hide?
Kayla, we hiding something?
We're not hiding nothing. We hide.
Your body and pum pum.
I'm taking it and show you now.
No, stop! Make the banana chips. Wait first.
We have to take your shot, or we could go for a video and something like that.
You know what I use? You know what I people put it head by my side?
This can't go on YouTube.
Guys, you know, since I know Kayla, like, I know, yeah, how much? 23?
22 today, guys.
22 today, so I know Kayla like 18 years. 18 to 17 years now. I know Kayla. Like, I know Kayla for a long time, but seeing her from, she's coming to Jamaica from like 17 to 18 years now, guys. And I first me know say Kayla could dance. And if a man show me saying could dance, me who know saying could dance. Kayla can shake ass but she not have.
You guys, we can't do a thing. Then can't see nothing. Oh, yeah. Not really, we just had talk. About 5 minutes or so.
Look like you're coming to know.
May I come too? Mighty mother. I should make a cesarean my face.
No, you look, you come alive like you revive.
Oh, like chin.
Yeah. I too hungry that kill the man.
Yeah, love of
You know some piece of woman crave, my man?
No.
That's true.
Woman just can't be hungry like man.
Piece of woman eat more, man.
And all man.
Because they will eat 8 dumplings and 2 pounds of rice and we can't eat 1 dumpling.
That is there.
We ready come.
Ready?
Like seriously?
I come to it just go right down Nebraska. I'm just like, I come to it work more. Remember some of the drink, huh? Oh.
So I get mother tonight.
Sweet. Last time I drink 2 rum, I'm going with 1 bag of foolishness.
Where you go language?
Eh?
Where you go language?
Where? No, at the party.
Oh.
I'm there, they say too much.
You have nothing you want to say to your...
Yes, guys. My cousin always bless me with a little something. And for me now, a some. But I have to show me back and I drink syrup. I take a shot apple flavor. Or I blend it with I mix it with orange juice. I make a drink, and when I don't drink, I have to play music for me dance. Because if I don't dance, I can't move from when I sit down. So we're gonna make apple juice. We're gonna make, why do you want to say apple juice? Wait, where's my pepper?
Something with apple.
no one so much for
Alright, that's a fair choice to me. You man, it up with them one some.
Duffy want some?
Yeah, you don't
want
want Then can't buy it, right?
Who?
A white girl never drink.
Who?
Get up with them.
Oh. I don't want so much. Which one was mine? The one with job? Look in here. Because if we drink too much, we can't.
Can't do what?
Nothing.
Blood of Jesus. Yeah, to get weak?
No, because if I like drink too much, then I get sleepy.
Oh.